Bombardier Aerospace, the world's third largest civil aircraft manufacturer, enjoys a leadership role in the design and manufacture of innovative aviation products and is a provider of related services for the business, commercial and specialized aircraft markets. They also offer fractional ownership, aircraft charter, technical services, aircraft maintenance and pilot training, as well as military aircrew training, all the while committed to reducing the environmental footprint at every stage of an aircraft's life through what they call their Lifecycle Approach.
Bombardier Aerospace is participating with the rest of the aviation industry through a collective effort to reduce CO2 emissions from aircraft. As the third largest civil aircraft manufacturer in the world, we Bombardier must ensure that we take into consideration the environmental impact of our aircraft when they're conceived and designed, and also when they're ready for disposal. In fact, through the Lifecycle Approach, we make sure that we take into consideration the environmental impact of our aircraft at the design and conception phase, but also once the aircraft are built, used, and then ready for disposal, to make sure that we really reduce the environment footprint at every stage of the life cycle.
In 2007, Bombardier established a new R&D product innovation team dedicated to Design for Environment, or DFE. Designing products with minimal environmental impacts throughout their entire life cycle is one of Bombardier's guiding principles. Together with safety-orientated design, their Design for Environment approach is central to their product responsibility strategy. The team has established DFE guidelines and design criteria by product life cycle stages, to be followed in designing new aircraft. This makes it easy to consult the guidelines. In this way, engineers are better informed, understand the environmental impact of certain design decisions, and are able to make environmentally conscious decisions.
We're applying design for environment principles to our in-development aircraft programs. We're also making energy efficiency an integral part of our approach to aerodynamics, structures, and navigation.
Every Bombardier manufacturing site is ISO 14001 certified, providing the company with the tools to determine the environmental impact of their activities and correct any problems they may identify.
We are making excellent progress in reducing our environmental footprint of our manufacturing and testing activities by closely monitoring our key performance indicators on a continuous basis. We are also integrating the principles of sustainable development into the way we build our aircraft. Driven by our commitment to reduce our operational greenhouse gas emissions by 10% for every 200,000 hours worked by the end of the year 2013, relative to our basis of 2008, we have created the Bombardier Green Fund. This Green Fund actually leverages our employees' best ideas to improve our energy efficiency and our environmental performance within our operations, whilst creating a positive impact in the communities where we operate.
The Green Fund budget of close to $5 million for 2011 will be used to fund 19 ideas from employees across the organization. The selected ideas will consult in CO2 reductions equivalent to removing 1,162 mid-size cars off the road each year. They will provide enough energy savings to serve 770 North American family homes, and they will save enough water to fill 3 Olympic-sized swimming pools each year. Over the 20-year period from 2009 to 2028, 60% of the current 20 to 149-seat aircraft fleet are set to retire. What is done with them at their end of life is as important as what was done to create them. Aircraft parts cannot easily be reused. Recycling is the better alternative to minimize environmental impact and create value. Bombardier is partnering with aircraft industry colleagues and members of the academic community to identify a range of responsible end-of-life solutions for existing and future aircraft.
It's challenging to find suitable solutions to fully recycle an in-service aircraft. Therefore, as we design new aircraft, we're systematically investigating the materials and components that can be more easily recycled at the end of an aircraft's life. Approximately 75% of an aircraft that is ready for disposal is recyclable. Our ultimate goal is to be able to fully recycle 100% the products we make.
The End-of-Life project is one of two important R&D projects that Bombardier has initiated. As noted, its goal is 100% recycling of its aircraft. The other project is aimed at composite material recycling. Composite materials are used in today's modern aircraft, which will come out of service in 20 to 25 years' time. Therefore, the focus on composites will ensure that Bombardier and the industry will be ready to deal with these materials when they are ready to be recycled.
By showcasing the benefits of using the life cycle approach, we wish to demonstrate how corporate social responsibility and reducing our environmental footprint can actually become an integral part of the day-to-day activities of Bombardier Aerospace. We sincerely hope that this will inspire other manufacturers to leverage their employees' ideas to reduce their environmental footprint as well.
Throughout its history, Bombardier has consistently responded to challenges and opportunities with tireless innovation, daring, creativity, and entrepreneurial gusto. Their proven ability to absorb, improve, and generate new technologies, processes, and management philosophies has long fueled their competitiveness and growth. Their life cycle approach to aircraft design, manufacture, and end-of-life initiatives carries on this tradition. To learn more about Bombardier Aerospace and its life cycle initiatives, log on to www.bombardier.com or www.csr.bombardier.com.